please make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notifications. So just click here to subscribe and then hit that bell and click all. That way, anytime I upload, you will get the notification. Go ahead, do it right now. Thank you. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim Rachels here with another wig review. Today it's another headband wig. Oh, before we get into the details of the unit, can't forget to talk about the lippy. The lippy that I'm wearing today is a Colored Rain liquid matte lipstick in the color Latte. So you've got this beautiful neutral color here. And now into the details of this beautiful unit. Thank you so much to Reshe Hair for sending me this hair for review. I really appreciate it. So there are 3 combs at the front. So you've got one in the middle, 2 on the sides. You've got a comb here in the back in the middle, and you've got your adjustable straps. So I'm going to just fluff it out just a little bit to give it a little more volume at the roots. This is your 20-inch curly wig in the color 1B30. So you see the dark roots, that would be the 1B, and then 30. Here's like a honey blonde type color. Very pretty. I love the fullness of the hair. The hair is very, very soft. This wig is heat safe because it is a human hair wig. Cap construction is comfortable, so it is big head friendly. So this is the left side, this is the right side, and this is the back. And for reference, I'm 5'2.5". So if you guys have been following me for a while, you guys know that I've done about 1 million headband wigs. So what you are going to hear me say is going to sound repetitive to you, but do keep in mind that I do get new subscribers all the time, and they're just finding me for the first time on whatever video they land on. So if this is their first video, this is going to be their first time hearing all this stuff. So for anyone who doesn't know about the headband wigs are trending. So I like to wear the band folded back. I just prefer the way this looks. But if you prefer to wear it to cover your hairline, you can do that. So if you're suffering from any hair loss, maybe you don't want to layer edges, maybe you prefer this look, then you can wear the headband all the way forward. So I'm just going to fold it back, and then I'm going to show you the headbands. So of course you can just wear this headband as it is if you just want a plain color. We also have these headbands. So as I'm running my fingers through it, there's very little tangling and just a little bit of shedding. So not too much, just a couple strands. But this is very pretty. I really like this color, very beautiful color. I love the fullness, I love the body. Okay, so now I'm going to restyle. I'm going to show you a couple of styles, but click the link above so you can see 9 different ways that you can style your headband wigs. Of pros and cons, I don't really have any cons about this wig. This is a very easy throw on and go wig, very beginner friendly. Headband wigs, I keep on saying headband wings. Headband wigs are very, very convenient because if you want to go grocery shopping, you want to throw something on quickly, throw on a headband wig. If you want to go to the gym without messing around, fussing around with your hair, you throw on a headband wig. If you don't want to lay down lace and lay down edges and all that good stuff with lace front wigs, you throw on a headband wig. If you're at home and you just want to lounge, just throw on something quickly, spice it up a little bit, throw on a headband wig. If you are on Zoom calls, throw on a headband wig. Headband wigs are convenient, is all I'm saying. Another pro is that you can restyle them. I do have a whole bunch of headband wigs that I did review. Click the link above so that you can see my other headband wig reviews. And that is my review for today. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that bell. That way, anytime I upload a new video, you will get the notification. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Wig dance, wig dance, wig, 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 wig. Bye, guys.